Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how to upload a video to Canvas using the Studio tab. So, from the dashboard, you'll see on the left hand side there are all these icons. Click on the Studio icon or the second to last button. After going there, you'll see the record button. Select it, select screen capture, then you'll be greeted with this. Just follow the steps accordingly and everything will run fine. So we are going to download, save the file, wait for it to download, then we're going to launch the exe file. Shortly after it gets done downloading, the program will notify you that you can automatically open up the program through your browser, i.e. Canvas. After everything is set up, just go back to the record button, screen capture, and then you'll be presented with the recording box. Here, for narration, you can select the microphone you'll be using to record audio. You can also choose if you want to record the screen, the webcam if you have one attached, or both. Then after that, hit record, and you'll be recording your screen. Hit pause to pause the recording and play to start it back up. After that, hit done. Give a title to your video and a description, and then upload it straight to Studio. After it's done processing, it will appear right here. To submit a Studio video for an assignment, go over to your courses, assignments, select the assignment you'll be submitting the video for, submit assignment, go over to the Studio bar, select the video you want to upload, click embed, and then finally submit assignment. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.